morning, good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful morning. We praise the name of our living God. I hope everyone is fine. Here, this is how I make my baby's lunch box. This is how I prepare for her. Right here we have baby carrots, we have cucumber, we have blueberries, we have apple, and here we have strawberries and this. Okay, and then here I've made for her sandwich, whereby one side I have prepared cheese sandwich, you can see, and this one here is jam. I've applied jam because sometimes she doesn't like cheese. As you know, babies, sometimes she tells, please, I want a jam sandwich. Sometimes she'll be like, I want cheese sandwich, so I have to make two of them. Then I put for her in her lunch box. Okay? Yeah, so this is how I do every day for her. This is how I prepare for her. So we're gonna start arranging things for her. Okay, this is it. Have to arrange for her so fast because time is also after me. Time is after me. I'm gonna put here. We're going to put here some cucumber. Carrots, and then right here we're going to put this apples, and then here blueberries, and then strawberries. You see? More close. Have to put for her a spoon and a fork. And then right here I'm going to add for her some cookies because she loves cookies so much. In case she fails to eat a sandwich, she has to eat some cookies. So her lunch box is already done. How is it? I think this is so beautiful and healthy for babies. Right here, this is her water and this is her custard. She loves this vanilla custard. So thank you so much, you guys. Please like my videos, comment, and share with a friend. In case there is any advice, I welcome it. Just drop it in the comment section and let me know what should I add or how do you arrange for babies. Mothers here, we have to share. In case you have any idea, more ideas than this, please help a sister and drop your comments there in a comment section. God bless you. Have a beautiful morning. Time is after me, so I have to close it. See you later.